psychophysics, the correlation between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And so as I got into music, so I'm not a musician in the strictest sense, I'm a research scientist who got into music to understand music from another perspective. It's another way of articulation. Music is a very distinct articulation of sound. Linguistics is sound articulated through human communication. Music is sound articulated through symphony. Although linguistics is also, language is also symphony as well, but it's a different kind. And with studying music now, I got into composing, arranging, transposing, transcribing. Primarily, I got into Chet Atkins, Tommy Emmanuel, Andy McKee, Don Ross, Doc Watson, all the big boys, the heavy duty guys, all the heavy duty guys. My whole point for saying this is today I wanna discuss composing and arranging music. I'm not charging for this. This is my